Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGig webinar series, our endeavor to impart techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight of various domains. The topic of today's session is practices and patterns for building scalable systems. Our guest speaker today is Mr. Balaji Rajagopalan, member of Technical Staff 2, Software Engineer at eBay Inc. Balaji has 12 plus years of experience in development cycle, including system requirements collection, architecture, analysis, design, development, maintenance, enhancement, and product support. In his previous role, he worked in the bioinformatics space, including startups for 5 plus years. Currently, he is a solution architect in eBay Inc., influencing long-term architecture and technology stack for PayPal settlement systems. In his spare time, he likes to tinker with open source contributions and is an avid Android enthusiast with a couple of published apps in the Android market. So without further delay, I introduce you all to our guest speaker. Over to you, Mr. Balaji.
Thank you. Can you guys see my screen? Okay, so the agenda for today's webinar is scalability and practices for scalability. We'll just go through what we mean by scalability, the definition of scalability. We'll look at consistency versus availability. These are some of the key factors that you decide when you build scalable systems. We will look at something called BASE. We'll look in detail what BASE stands for. It's basically available, scalable, and eventually consistent. And then we look at certain practices for scalability. Most of these practices that we are going to talk about, or some of these definitions, are pretty much common across the industry. Some of it might be new to you, some of it might be you do it, but you don't know what the name is. It's like software patterns. Many of us do factory patterns without knowing it's called factory. So we'll go through some of the practices that we do across the industry, some of the common practices that are available in the literature as well. And then I'll definitely take questions and try to answer them as much as I can. First is definition of scalability. So what do you mean by scalability?